might break it. Spring's gone. Spring that holds the boot on was gone. Somebody's been playing with that door switch. And that was the one I finished out. Pump just slides back. Then take the hoses, 1, 2, 3, and the wire. Boom, boom. Boom. Pow. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. I see you. Redneck jump off. Oh. Oh. Well, it stopped one time, so it's getting one. right, time to run this baby. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Gonna have to find a front boot clamp because this one won't fit. Sometimes they rust off of there or they fall off and people throw them away, so I might have to order one. Maybe I got one in the old junk shed. Oh well, I don't have one, I'll just have to order one. But what I do is I put it on the door and take two Phillips head flathead and just pry it down. That rubber's pretty tough. LG has a tool, but a little elbow grease just takes a little force. Thanks for watching.